right, so I told you I'm going hard. I'm doing this all on the same day. That's why I'm wearing the same shirt, so don't try to roast me saying I'm a dirty motherfucker and I can buy all this crap when I ain't buying no clothes. It's the same day, so don't roast me. Like I said, at 1,000 subscribers, we're giving something away, so make sure to subscribe, support the channel. It's all free, man. Just show some love to your boy, all right? So today we got probably a little bit more expensive than the last freaking unboxing. We got a Topps 5-star 2024, which has just 2 autographs in it. Hopefully we can hit 3, or hopefully we hit like a big ass auto relic something with a big patch. Come on, man, it feels pretty heavy. And we have a 2024 with Ronald Acuna Jr. on the box. Topps Archive Signature Series. So I'm excited about this one because I haven't opened up one of these yet, or this, but I want this one to be dope. All right, so the last video was about 7 minutes. It has a few less cards, so I am gonna milk this just a hair because I gotta get some type of traction, right? I'm not gonna lie, opening up these big boxes make me a little bit more nervous, but they're just as fun as the other ones because you get all the goodies, you know what I'm saying? All right, we're gonna go ahead and count this down. Remember, I want a Bryce Harper. Big names, low numbers, or a Bryce Harper. It could be a Bryce Harper 99 out of fucking 7,000. I could care less. Bryce Harper or big names, low numbers. All right? Come on, man. On the last one, we got a 101. It's almost hard to top that other than getting a big name. Ezekiel Tovar is a decent name, but we want a big name, right? Let's go. In 5, 4, 3, 2. What y'all think it is? Brian Roberts. Decent name, right? 30 out of 40. Brian Roberts. Not the best of pool, but pretty cool. There's a little number up there, 30 out of 40 in the Stadium Club 2024. Good looking card. Nice. Not too bad, huh? Not too bad. Y'all see it? I like the colors, the background. 30 out of 40, Brian Roberts. I know that the Astros were trying to get him at one point. Well, there was talks of him coming to Houston. Now, this one I'm freaking nervous about. High dollar that shit. Let's see. Come on. I want to open it up and see a big old fat pack. I want to see a big old fat pack. If not, I mean, it is what it is. It's all good. All right, let's go. 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 Let's see a big old fat pack. No, it's not. Is that fat? It looks pretty fat for 2 cards, huh? I don't feel nothing crazy. Damn. All right. Anyways, free. How you? Oh, it feels like 3 cards. Yo, it feels like 3 cards. Or it could be crazy. It feels like 3 cards. All right. I'm excited. I'm excited. We're going to use this one to cover everything up. I'm going to look away. I'm going to look away. I have a little bit of integrity. I'm going to go ahead and look away. Look away. I'm not seeing nothing. Put them face down. And I'll put this up on top. Is it 3 cards? I don't know. It might not be. No, it's only 2. It's only 2. All right. You ready? In 3, 2, 1. Who's that? Paul Konerko. Oh, that's an old school player. Nice. Paul Konerko. Man, these cards are freaking thick. Good looking card, though. 9-year White Sox team captain, 6-time All-Star, second to A-Rod in AL homers and RBIs from 1999 to 2012. Damn. 7 home runs and 17 RBIs in the 19 postseason. MVP of the 2005 ALCS elimination of the Angels. In 2014, he won the Roberto Clemente Award. That's cool. Paul Konerko. Nice. All right. Our final card. Short video, huh? Short video. We're at 4 minutes. It's all good. Let's see. What is it? It's an A. Reggie Jackson. 4 out of 5. Low numbers, baby. Low freaking numbers. And it's got the, like the hologram refractor? Is that what they call it? Refractor on it? 4 out of 5. Reggie Jackson. Oh, man, it's got a little bit of damage right there. But, I mean, it is what it is. These big cards are always like that. Y'all see it? A little bit of damage right there. But 4 out of 5. Reggie Jackson. Can't complain about that. Low numbers, big name, Mr. freaking October right there. I believe he works with the Houston Astros too. I think he's a team guy for the Houston Astros. Super dope, motivated, pumped. I like these. Decent pulls. Got Paul Konerko, Brian Roberts, 30 out of 40. The Pocanurco is not numbered, but the Reggie Jackson is fire. Fire ass pull. Love it. Let me know what you guys think, man. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. All the support is free. And I hope you're enjoying what you see. I know I'm not doing the crazy breaks and all that stuff. I watch those and I support those and I get into those. That's why I have a lot of cards that I'm accumulating really fast, because I'm getting into those breaks. But this right here is collection purposes pretty much only. I like the autos, and I know it's a little bit higher end, but you know, like the inserts and the autos is pretty much all anybody keeps. And the base cards kind of just go, you know, to the kids. But anyways, these are gonna go definitely in the collection. I need to order some protectors for these. Here it looks like a 138, right? Like a 138. So these are big fat cards, so I need to order some protectors for these. But I appreciate all you guys, man. You guys let me know down in the comment section, man. I appreciate y'all. Peace.